welcome to Cecil to the YouTube channel. I'm at Dismal Falls in Bland, Virginia, and it's about a 10 to 12 foot waterfall. Obviously depends on how much rain you've had and what you're going to get to see. I thought it was really beautiful. So I went up North 100, I passed Taw Produce, Walker Valley Market. I've got videos about that, and you can get some sandwiches at Walker Valley Market. Then I drove along, and look how pretty this is. Isn't this beautiful? So you're going to be going through Giles County as well as Bland County to get to this falls, at least the way I did. And really have your GPS on because I have passed this falls looking for it and I just couldn't seem to find it. So yeah, you'll see signs, you'll see them. But when you're here at Trent's store on your right and you see this little bridge, make a right. And then you will see this sign, and once it says end of state maintenance, 0.4 miles, you'll get to Dismal Falls, and this is all you get. And this is your trail. And it goes straight down. It's pretty steep and it's not well marked in my opinion, and you have to scramble down some rocks. But this is beautiful, isn't it? How gorgeous. So I recommend spending some time once you get down there and wander around a bit. I liked all the multiple falls as well as the rock formations. It was exquisite in my opinion. So again, this is just the falls, but if you go up, you have the flat top trailhead, and it looks like you can also take your horses up there too. So I did go up that area, but really this place is deserted. There's nobody around. So we kind of stayed near the falls and then kind of turned around. But if you do go up to the area where you can bring your horses, this is what you're going to find, the trailhead, which you just saw, and some bathrooms. They weren't open because it was like 30 degrees outside, and a very large area to park. And there's Walnut Flats campgrounds too. Beautiful drive out in the country here, and I highly recommend checking out Dismal Falls. It was named after Dismal Creek, and I guess back in the colonial times, Dismal meant something a little bit different than what we think of. So I hope you come out and check out these beautiful falls and enjoy yourself. Take care.